So I have the privilege of sitting here in the mountains of Alaska. We've just had a tough hike up here through tough terrain. There is no path. We had to go through a lot of brush to get up here. And I was just thinking about how that reminds me of how life is and life with the Lord. Sometimes it looks like you have to go through bushes and you have to make your own way. But then if you get through it, you see who helped you through it and who was the one that carried you through it, even in the difficult times. And once you reach the top, you can just thank the Lord for that He got you here. And yeah, one day you won't remember the path you took, but you'll remember being up here and enjoying this magnificent view. And as you're in the brush, struggling through there, you might not know the view that you'll have up here. You might want to turn around and think it's not worth it. So yeah, I just want to end off with Psalms 46, verse 1 to 3. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth may give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea. Through its waters roar and foam, and the mountains quake with their surging. Have a good day.